Alright guys, so today we have this antique Kwikset deadbolt that I pulled from a customer's house, and we are going to try and pick it open with using these new LockBoss Maximum Dexterity Gloves from CLK Supplies. And typically I am not a fan of picking any kind of lock with gloves on. Can't really feel the pins binding as much. I drop the tools. But as someone that hates the cold, and with winter upon us, figured let's give them a shot. So we're going to try a single pin pick here. We're using the Covert Instruments Genesis set. Wow. That was a very simple binding order, but we got that picked very quickly. Let's see if we can do it again. Again with the gloves on. I don't think these gloves are just for looks. Let's see. I'm not sure what's holding us up here right now. I'm going to go ahead and reset. Start from the 5th pin. Go back. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure what's holding us up here. Wow. One trick pony much? Let's see, ready? There we go. Not a one-trick pony. Not over here. And now, after giving this lock some much-needed love and attention, we are going to try and pick it once more. Again, with the gloves on and single pin picking. Let's see if after... Yep. Even faster. Good stuff. Clean up your locks, preserve those antique hardware, and pick with gloves on during this winter, especially if you've got these.